Hello students, let's try to understand application of equilibrium constant. This is what the equilibrium constant is. So equilibrium constant for predicting the extent of reaction. Okay, extent of reaction means how much the reaction is going to be in forward direction and will convert into product. The equilibrium constant Kc can be used to predict the extent of reaction, that is the degree of disappearance of reactant, and the magnitude of equilibrium constant gives idea of the relative amount of reactant and product. Three cases are there. If you talk about the case number 1, the larger value of equilibrium constant, that is more than 10 power 3, shows that the forward reaction is favored, that is the concentration of product is much larger than that of the reactant. For example, H2 plus Br2 is highly forward reaction to HBr, as the you can see the power is 18. H2 plus Cl2 2HCl, it is also see the Kc value, it is much larger than 10 power 3, so it is forward. H2 plus O2 H2O, so it is also going to be forward. This shows that the equilibrium concentration of the product is very high, that is reaction go almost to completion. So this is what the answer is all about. Now go for the case number 2. Intermediate value of the equilibrium constant 10 power minus 3 to 10 power 3 shows that the concentration of the reactants and product are comparable. So that is Fe plus HCl. This is what the it is giving, that is 138. So it is between the 10 power 3 to 10 power minus 3 to 10 power 3. So it is in the condition of equilibrium. So intermediate value of equilibrium constant, so the concentration of reactant and product are comparable. Now the last case is there, low value of equilibrium constant less than 10 power minus 3 shows that the backward reaction is favored, that is concentration of reactant is much larger than that of the product. The reaction proceed to very small extent in forward direction. Of example, if you see student, so what you can see the example here. So N2 plus O2, it is giving 2NO, Kc value 10 power minus 31. So it is not favoring the forward reaction. Now you see H2O is splitting into H2 plus half O2, Kc value 10 power minus 48. So it is not also favoring the forward reaction. So this is all the application of equilibrium constant. Moreover, you got to know the value of the 10 power minus 3 Kc value, 10 power plus 3 student, it is going to favor the forward reaction student. But if you are Kc value is saying, that is here is 10 power minus 3 to 10 power 3. So if more than 3 is there, forward. If this is there, that is the equilibrium condition. Both have the comparable concentration amount, equilibrium. This is what the condition. Now Kc value, if that is less than 10 power minus 3, so that is backward reaction. This is what is student backward reaction. So this is what is our required answer student. Thank you so much for watching this video.